we have not one, not two, but 3 tiny little mystery jewelry jars to go through. Let's get straight into it. I'm literally gonna scream. These are so freaking cute. This is from Treasure Jewels over on Depop. I'll be tagging them below. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. I'm gonna start off with this guy right here. These are so itty bitty and cute, and you can see the glitter, like green glitter on this dragonfly, and I'm so here for it. It's nice having these nails because I can just like, they're little tweezers. I can just pick out of these types of jars. Ooh, what are you? Oh, that's so cute. Look at, hold on. Yeah, girl, that is gorgeous. That's a keep. Thank you very much. We've got this cutie little dainty necklace. This is super cute for gothic-y looks. I'm not gonna keep it though. I just don't see myself wearing it. Oh, no way. Look at the moth. Are you serious? It kind of matches my dragonfly or my butterfly right here. That's so, so cute. Yes, I am keeping. I love the amount of dainty pieces in here. This is like a little tooth necklace. I'm not gonna keep. No, yeah, I don't think I'm gonna keep that. I wouldn't reach for it, y'all. Uh-oh. Ruh-roh. Oh no. Hold on. You guys. It's a freaking heart ring that fits me, and it hasn't even been used yet. That's a forever keep. Absolute forever keep. Oh my gosh. Look at that. That's so cute. Oh my gosh, you guys can't even see it. Look how cute that is. Yes, where my gothic girlies at. You'll need to get one of these. Oh my gosh. Yeah, this is like pretty Y2K. And I think that would look so good. I would wear... This is harder than it looks, y'all. Okay. We'll pull in multiple pieces out. That is always the goal. We've got... What is going on? It's pokey. I'm a bit confused. Maybe it's like an ear cuff or something? I don't really know. So I'm gonna put that in the maybe. I have a gold one of these and I've been wanting a silver one. Yes, I'm keeping this layered bracelet. I would wear. This is giving total Coraline vibes. That's so cute, but I have one very similar, so I'm not gonna keep. Let's see if we can hurry this up. That is, oh my god, that's adorable. Mine. All right, let's go ahead and dump. There we go. Little glitter ring. I'm not gonna keep. I have one just like this one. We've got another one. I'm gonna share this one so that we can match. Yes. And then we've got this guy. This, oh, there's 2 more. Another tooth necklace for you. Oh. And then, oh, that's adorable. It's like this like silver coquette bracelet. Yes, I'm keeping. And finally, oh boy, please don't do this to me, girl. Okay, there we go. This is a forever keep. I absolutely adore this. Yeah. All right, let's go on to the next one. Wrong side. All right, let's go ahead and do the gold one now. I'm very excited for this one because I am a gold girly. Ooh. Okay, starting off, that is freaking cute. That's like a little shell or sunshine or something. I'm keeping... Oh my gosh, look how cute this bracelet is. I have this exact one though, so no, I don't. Okay, I'm gonna check to make sure and see if I do or not. We've got this bracelet. I have so many just plain bracelets, so that's gonna be for you. Oh, this is cute. Like a little evil eye necklace. I used to wear evil eyes a lot more, but they're just not really my thing anymore, so I'm gonna give that up. This guy, however, I'll be keeping. These are so cutie. I'm not gonna keep this either. Got a little like eyeball. I'm not gonna wear, a little too boho for me. this like tiger's eye ring. Yes, and it looks like it's gonna fit me. I'm trying not to like tangle all this jewelry in here. Okay, we've got the butterfly necklace off the front. And that is beautiful. I have so many bedazzled. I'm gonna check to see which ones I like more though. We've got this ring. I'm not gonna keep. Come on out. Let's get the rest of you out of here. I'm very impressed by the amount of pieces that they put into these jewelry jars. Oh yeah, that's a forever keep. I see a little like bunny here. Oh my gosh, this is adorable. I can already tell. It looks like a little gummy bunny. That's cute. Would I ever wear it though? No. Okay, I'm gonna give that up. Got another plain little bracelet, and a lot of these are stamped sterling silver, or stainless steel, sorry, not sterling silver. I'm not gonna keep, so they're not gonna tarnish super easily. We've got this guy, it's adjustable. I think I have one just like it, so I'm not gonna keep these earrings. Oh, those are adorable. They're like little huggy earrings I would wear. We have beef with these butterflies, y'all. But this is a choker, would be so, so cute. So I think I'm gonna keep and wear it a couple times and then I'll give her back up. And then this heart, dainty heart bracelet, absolutely keeping. And it looks in this ring. It's too big. It's cute, but it's too big. Okay, let's see if we can get through this little jar last. Y'all seriously go check them out. She literally jam packs these things with pieces. Oh, there's so many cute little rings in here. Yes. I think that's tiger's eye, and it's adjustable. A lot of the rings are adjustable, which I love because I have really tiny fingers. Okay, I just got this in the other one, so I'm gonna share this one with you. This one's like a mix between silver and gold, it looks like. We love to see. Oh, that is gorgeous. Oh, for like a little dainty bracelet, yes. Keeping that. There's like a pink. Girl, I need that out immediately. Okay, this is gonna be for you. I love these rings. Okay, so it's a butterfly. Sorry, it's upside down. But they like go, let me see if I can do this really quick. They go like that and it just like dangles down. How freaking cute. Oh, yes, I would wear. I need this heart ring out very badly. Shut up. Oh my god, I have like a little Playboy, pink Playboy hoodie that has rhinestones on it. I'm gonna wear that with that. Oh. This ring, I'm not gonna keep. There's a couple stuck pieces in here. We actually got that out pretty quick. That's giving like old Gothic styled architecture, like the Cologne Cathedral vibes. I love that, yes. I would wear. Oh, please. We don't have time for this. We're almost out of time, actually. We have another one of these. I'm not keeping. I just got one out of the other one. Oh, this cute charm necklace. I would wear. This is such a cool ring. I'm keeping. Another one of these guys, which means y'all get one. All right, let's go ahead and jump. This is a cute little bracelet. It's got a couple little dangles too. I think that's so cute. I would wear that. And then we've got this. Oh, that's pretty, but it's not gonna fit. So for you. And then we've got a couple more pieces here. We've got this heart. I have one just like it. And then this guy, which is gonna be too big for me, so it's gonna be for one of you. Let's get this dragonfly off and then we will end the video. Oh, I adore. Yes, I will be keeping. But y'all, go check them out, please and thank you. They have such cute pieces. I think these little jars are perfect for starting jewelry collectors. If you don't want to commit to buying one of the bigger jars. All right, I love you all so much. Bye.